Marketing and Sales Strategy Tutorial and Instructions. The Marketing and Sales Strategy is the next section of the business plan. In this section, the strategies on how the company will get customers should be discussed. The methods of advertising and communicating to customers and potential customers should be detailed. Products and/or services promotional methods are covered here. Some information about the pricing of the products and/or services the company will have would be mentioned here. Include strategic undertakings that will be used to tell potential customers and existing customers the advantages of purchasing and using the company's products and/or services. Declaration about how the company will penetrate the market by utilizing the marketing strategy should be discussed. The distribution of products and/or services is explained here as well. The plug-and-plan template provides sample content that can be used for the marketing and sales strategy of a company in the industry. If users have some specific marketing methods that are not mentioned, feel free to add them.